I would like to draw the attention of the House to the delay in the commencement of the new block at the Institute Psychiatry and Human Behavior IPHB, Bambolim. IPHB is the only specialized institution providing mental health care services in Goa and cater to a large number of patients from across the state. The construction of the new block was undertaken to expand facilities, increase bed capacity, and improve treatment and counseling services. However, despite the infrastructure being developed, the commencement of the services in the new block has been delayed, resulting in continued pressure on the existing facilities and inconvenience to patients and their families. I urge the government to clarify the reasons for the delay and provide a definite timeline for making the new IPHB block operational at the earliest in the interest of strengthening mental health care services in Goa.